Welcome back to the workshop. Today, we're going to show you how to replace the backing pad on your Mirka DEROS RS 600. This is a quick and easy process that will keep your sander performing at its best. Let's get started. First, make sure your sander is turned off and unplugged for safety. Be sure to carefully remove the rubber wrench hole cover. It's important to use the indicated side and not pull it all the way out. Next, insert the pad wrench into the slot of the housing to fix the spindle nut in place. With the spindle nut secured, turn the backing pad counterclockwise to remove it. Now, take your new backing pad and fit it onto the sander. Make sure to include the washers for a secure fit. Tighten the backing pad by turning it clockwise until it's securely in place. Once the new backing pad is fitted and tightened, remove the pad wrench and close the pad wrench cover. If you drop the pad wrench cover on the ground, we recommend getting a new one. For optimal dust collection, it's crucial that the cover is intact. Otherwise, the dust extractor may start sucking through the pad wrench hole, reducing its effectiveness. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the backing pad on your Mirka DEROS RS 600 rotary sander. This simple maintenance step will keep your sander in top condition for all your abrasive plans. Happy sanding!